갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if today is your first time of tuning into my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. And to my old subscribers, guys, thank you so much. We are growing strength by strength. We are growing day by day, so thank you for always watching, and thanks for always sharing my video. Okay. Thanks for always sharing my video. So guys, today I'm going to be talking about salicylic acid. Yes, so I'm going to be talking about this. So the reason why I want to talk about this, because I have seen so many videos here on YouTube, right? I have seen a lot of videos, like a lot of formulations made by skincare formulators, yeah, on YouTube channel. Like the way you're watching my video, that is how you're watching other people's video also, right? So I don't want anybody to deceive you guys, especially my faithful subscribers. You know, I have faithful subscribers. Immediately my video just bump up, the next thing, before 1 second they start watching. So please don't get deceived. Don't allow anybody to fool you. And due to my comment section, I have a lot of comments concerning salicylic acid, right? So I have a lot of comments, and people will ask me, should I put salicylic acid inside my face cream? Should I add salicylic acid inside my soap? Should I add salicylic acid inside my body lotion? I like, seriously, one question I keep asking those people, like especially on my comment section, I always reply like, what is your aim? What is the reason? Why are you adding in salicylic acid into your products? Because before you add in any active ingredient, salicylic acid is very active. It's going to burn your skin. It's going to give you skin irritation, right? Before you add any active ingredient into your product, you make sure that you know the reason why you are adding it, and you know how to formulate with salicylic acid. So I have seen most of DIYs, they add salicylic acid into their black soap. Like, seriously, are you for real? And they call it acne black soap. Black soap that is alkaline in nature. Salicylic acid that is just between 2 to 3 the pH, and now you are adding it into black soap. Some people are just crazy, sorry to use that language. Like, I don't know if they don't do research, if they don't read, if they don't have some certain knowledge before going into skincare. And they call it acne black soap, and they will add salicylic acid inside. Please, before you start using salicylic acid, one thing I'm going to tell you, the products that you can actually add your salicylic acid powder into it, you can make a salicylic acid facial cream for people that have acne, for people that have age spots, for people that have melasma, for people that have pigmentation. So you don't just add it because you see people adding it. Salicylic acid is used for a purpose. Some people will even add it into a whitening cream. What is salicylic acid doing inside whitening cream? That lane is not going to whiten your skin. It's not going to whiten your skin. Salicylic acid is used for a purpose. Age spots, dark spots, melasma, pigmentation, acne scars. Those are the things. If you want to make those products, you can actually use salicylic acid to produce those products. Not all products you apply salicylic acid into it. And salicylic acid has its own pH stability. If you make a product and the product of that, the end product of that, maybe you're making a face cream with salicylic acid, you're making a serum with salicylic acid, and you finish making that product, and that cream did not end up, the pH of that cream did not end up with the exact pH of that salicylic acid, it's not going to be stable, it's not going to work, and it's going to irritate the skin. How can somebody be making a black soap and you add salicylic acid inside? Black soap that's already drying, black soap that is already inching, You know, some people they use black soap and they have itchy and it burns their skin. And now you're adding salicylic acid inside that same black soap. Like seriously. So if you're making salicylic acid products, make sure that you know your aim. You can use it to make a facial cream for people that have spots. If you have clients that have spots, if you have clients that have acne, you can use salicylic acid to make a product. It could be a face cream for that. It could be a what is it called, a facial wash for that. It could be what is it called, a facial serum for that. Right, you can also use salicylic acid to make a lotion, but please, you cannot be using salicylic acid to make a lotion and inside that lotion you are having niacinamide powder, you are having powders that have high pH range, and you are adding you are having so many type of ingredients inside. You can only use, you see, salicylic acid is very active. You can use just salicylic acid, no powder again. You can use just that one to make a facial cream from acne prone skin, and it's really going to work. You can use just salicylic acid powder without even adding in other powders to it. You can use it to make a facial serum or a facial cleanser for someone that have acne, and it's really going to work. It is going to work. So you do not need to combine. You know, some people they think adding lots of ingredients in one recipe that will make their product to work fine. No, you're getting it all wrong. Less is best. Less is powerful. And when it comes to salicylic acid, it should be less. People ask salicylic acid inside their black soap. What is your aim? I still don't figure it. Before you make any product, read. Please read. Don't come on YouTube or don't be telling people to do this, do that when you are not even sure. When you are not even sure. So, like I said before, if you want to use salicylic acid to make your products, we have salicylic acid concentration. You don't do too much. Using salicylic acid is, if you're using it too much, you're going to get your skin irritated. You're going to get your skin burnt. Yeah. So if you want to make a face gel, everything is written out here. If you want to make a gel, and the percentage of salicylic acid that you should use from 0.5%, and you can use it just once in a day. Like if you apply it in the morning, don't apply it in the evening. And if you are applying it in the morning, make sure that you're using sunscreen. So the best way to use any exfoliating properties or exfoliating active ingredient is best to use it at night time. Okay, so if you're making a lotion with salicylic acid, you should use from 1% to 2%, right? And you can use that lotion like 1 to 3 times per day or 1 to 2 times. If you take a shower like twice, you can use that lotion twice. If you're making soap, you should use 0.5, which is 0.5% to 5%. Then you can use that soap as needed. You can use the soap like 2-3 times in a day depending. And if you want to make salicylic acid solution, you should use from 0.5% to 2%. This is a solution. You make the solution, you can keep it in your house, and whenever you want to make any product, you just take scent from that solution and you use it to make your product. Please don't misuse, or is it misuse? Don't misuse salicylic acid so that you don't get yourself burned. You see, I have some clients, they will bring their skin to me, like they'll just send me a picture of their face. My face is burned. You will see faces. They will tell you, I was using one cream before in Nigeria. I was using this before. One woman was making cream for me before. Those cream is actually salicylic acid, made with salicylic acid or made with lactic acid before, because people hear that it exfoliates their skin and brightens their skin. Now they add it inside their formulation without knowing the main focus of salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is for spot cream, is for acne cream, is for melasma cream, age spot, pigmentation. That is when you should use salicylic acid. So you can ask me questions about salicylic acid on the comment section. Please don't ask me question on my YouTube, on my WhatsApp, please. If I get any question on my WhatsApp, I'm going to block that person. My WhatsApp is for my business. If you want to join the online training class, come on WhatsApp. If you want to buy my products, come on WhatsApp. And I don't sell to people that lives in Africa, because I'm not doing shipping to Africa now. I do shipping to Canada, US, Australia, around Europe here. Yes, I don't ship to Nigeria. And just leave your comment section below my comment, the comment section here. Yeah, leave your comments and ask questions about salicylic acid, or rather go and do your findings. Some people, the time you use to ask questions, use it to do your findings. The time you come and ask me, just go to Google, just do your findings, do research, read about salicylic acid. You're going to get a lot of things you need to know if you do research, rather than asking me. If you're asking me, I might even give you one fake story and you will still believe it. You will still believe it, you know. So please, it's better you do research, okay? So guys, I'm going to see you soon in my other next video, and I'm going to be formulating with salicylic acid so that you can know how to make any product with salicylic acid. Okay guys, that is it for today's video, and bye.